What's up, guys? As you can see the excitement behind, welcome back to another vlog from VK Vlogs. This time, I'm making my way to an unexplored destination of India, which is the northeastern part of India.
This is our first trip ever since we've known each other, and this is going to be super exciting for us. Stay tuned, guys.
It's been over a decade that we know each other, and we are going to Meghalaya.
This is an update in the start of the vlog that our flight is fucking delayed.
Not just like half an hour or 1 hour.
Just an update, we'll be swapping our aircraft. The aircraft we'll be taking is landing in about 15 minutes from now.
तो मैं क्या कह रहा था कि हमने अब प्लेन चेंज कर लिया है. उम्मीद है कि इसके अस्थि पंजर, इंजीनियरिंग, पेट्रोल ये सब सही है और हम उड़ जाएंगे. ऑलरेडी 11 बज रहे हैं. इस समय हमें लैंड करना था, बट यही बातें हम बाद में याद करेंगे, नॉस्टैल्जिया बनेंगे. We finally landed into Guwahati after like couple of hours of delay changing the planes. Finally we have reached Guwahati. It's almost 3:30 in the night. We landed at some 12:30. The pilot covered up the delay from whatever shit we were going through. But after that, there's a big conspiracy theory. We had negative COVID test, all three of us.
And RT-PCR, as they have asked in the government guidelines.
And after landing, when we went very sharifly that we had, और उन्होंने
We paid for her honesty.
Yes, they didn't accept our COVID test and they made us pay fucking 500 rupees each and get new tests done because there was no some SRFPS number or whatever, there was no barcode, but it was RT-PCR done from a good renowned hospitals and labs. Total harassment. Yeah, that's one thing you need to keep in mind while coming to Guwahati. Also, after landing, we took the taxi and we came to Kamakhya Devi temple, and we thought that our hotel is right next to Kamakhya Devi, which is Hotel Sri Moi Inn. It is, but the car doesn't come here. गाड़ी नहीं आती इधर. गाड़ी आती है 1 किलोमीटर दूर. पहले ट्रैकिंग करके इधर आना पड़ता है.
Exactly, we had to climb like 1,000 steps and come up.
So basically, the entire first leg of this trip was fucked up as hell. Hopefully tomorrow morning you're gonna see something nicer, and these guys have to wake up at 6:30 because they're going to the temple. I'm gonna sleep till 8:30, let's say, because I'll collect the car then. So that's about it. Keep watching the vlog. Ciao. We are staying at this hotel called Hotel Sri Moi Inn, which is right next to this temple called Kamakhya Devi temple, which these two guys have gone. I haven't gone, but it's literally right next to it.
It was a very nice experience.
Yeah. So if you want to kind of come to this temple, this is a great option to stay in this hotel. Now we will be making our way to Meghalaya. So stay tuned. Hello, I am at the Guwahati, not Guwahati, Assam Meghalaya border, which is a very special thing in life. But more special thing is that everything has worked, and in 2 minutes I've got the e-pass to visit Meghalaya. Everything was so smooth for a random chance in the world.
Kudos to Meghalaya.
Kudos to Meghalaya. Amazing state, let's just put it this way. I'm just gonna go in.
The start is amazing, so we
Yeah.
are hoping that the journey is as amazing.
Amazing. So as I always do in my trips, I've hired my car. It's a Swift compact car, so that it eases my trip around. And a good thing of advice that you should always fill up your tank in Meghalaya if you're traveling via Assam, because the petrol is cheaper. Behind me is the beginning of the huge Umayam Lake. Runs across different states and it's a huge lake. I'll include some nice shot in this vlog. Cheers. we started the day in Guwahati and we were on our way to our resort in Cherrapunji. So on the way we have these beautiful viewpoints and different waterfalls that you can explore. And right now we just took a little detour to kind of see the Elephant Falls. I'm just stepping down to see this fall. Mr. Modi has also visited this fall. So just going down to see what is it. Let's see. So I finally reached the first destination, which is a viewpoint. It's called Mok Pok Duing Bep. I know the pronunciation is not right, but the view definitely is amazing. Look at this beauty. So after coming from Guwahati to Shillong, and we finally made our way to Cherrapunji at this resort called the Royal View Resort. We came last night, really tired, so I didn't make any videos, but this morning, just to kind of update, the network is super bad and I'm not able to upload any stories. And of course I found my friend here. And now we are on our route to the Living Root Bridge, which is down the hill, 3 kilometers of trek, and no, 3 hours of trek in fact. And yeah, the weather looks nice. So finally we have started the trek to the Living Root Bridge. It's approximately 3,500 steps, and further down the line there is also Rainbow Waterfalls. So we will evaluate once we get there, because we also have to come up, which looks a bit difficult right now. ये हिल इसलिए रहा है क्योंकि मैं नीचे उतर रहा हूँ, और मैं सोचा थोड़ा नीचे उतरते उतरते थोड़ी बातचीत हो जाए आप लोगों से। बातचीत ऐसी है कि लग गए हैं अभी तो। नीचे उतरने में ये हालत है, ऊपर आने में क्या होगा नो आइडिया। प्रॉब्लम ये है कि ना कि सीढ़ियाँ हैं, ये थोड़ी चढ़ाई वढ़ाई होती तो देख लेते, बट सीढ़ियों ने थोड़ा काम ख़राब करा है और मूड भी ख़राब करा है। वैसे नीचे का व्यू अच्छा है, इफ़ यू वांट टू सी। भाई मेरी टांगे ऐसी कांप रही हैं इस समय। आई डोंट नो इफ इट इज़ एबल टू स्पॉट इट, बट Spotify involuntary actions have started. Goodbye. just saw me walk, this is the single decker living root bridge. It is absolutely natural, made up of roots of the tree, and the view around, there's a river flowing niche, there's huge rocks on the side. It is absolutely beautiful and majestic. You cannot be more close to the nature right now. And then there were two, because our friend Richie got a bit of pain in the kidneys, and so we advised that she must go to the hotel and rest, because it was not even the halfway that we came to the single route living
We
bridge.
have to climb all the way up again.
Yeah, it's like
Go back to the hotel.
3500 steps are just 3500 steps, but they are a lot because it's just continuous steps. The terrains are not different. Still making our way to the double decker living route bridge. Let's see how it goes. Crossing another bridge right now, and I think we are 10 minutes away from the double decker bridge. I'm so happy to tell you that finally we have trekked down to the double decker living root bridge. I think the view behind me says it all. The view is good, the air is fresh. We are in Meghalaya, somewhere in the forest where we don't know how far away we are from home. And yeah, he wanted to say something. What?
Nongriat. We are in Nongriat.
Yeah, so the name of the village is Nongriat, just for the record. And yeah, keep on following our journey on DKV now. गाइस लोड़े लग गए हैं, यहाँ कहीं जाना है, भैंचोद गाड़ मराने अपनी। चलो। इज एब्सोल्युटली स्टीप एज फक। स्टीप देखो कितना पीछे। मेरे हर दोस्त बहुत हरामी है भैंचोद, ये वाला ट्रैक नहीं करना दोबारा लाइफ में। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, मैंने 2 घंटे के अंदर कर दिया ये। दिस इज गोना स्टे फॉर लाइफ। So our leg in Cherrapunji is coming to an end. It was an amazing stay of 2 days. I didn't talk much about Cherrapunji in my previous shots. I think it was a dream come true to come to Cherrapunji, because every child from his childhood learns that the place where the maximum rainfall happens. But right now it's Masonoram in Meghalaya. But honestly, no complaints, because last night there was this rainfall and we were scared to shit. We came out of our beds and we all thought that a cloud has burst right next to our ears. So it was so damn amazing, such an experience. Now we are making our way to Dauki. It's a river which flows into India as well as Bangladesh. I'm not gonna tell you right now what is in store for there, but I'm gonna shoot some nice shots on our way to Dauki. We'll probably also cover a couple of nice viewpoints on our way to Dauki. I think it's gonna take like 5 to 6 hours from here to complete the entire stretch of seeing the viewpoints and reaching Dauki as well. It was a great stay at this Royal View resort because it was right next to the point where we start the trek. So if you guys are considering something, please come and stay here. It is very comfortable. So see you in the next one.